If your brain short circuits every time you try to plan your week, this is for you. You're not failing at structure. Your nervous system is in revolt, and it's trying to keep you safe. This is for the woman who lights a candle and then immediately spirals because she forgot to journal, meditate, or do her damn affirmations. If you've ever asked yourself, why can't I just be consistent? Or why does every routine fall apart? I got you. By the end of this, you'll understand why routines can feel like punishment after religious or high control conditioning, and how to build a rhythm that honors your nervous system instead of gaslighting it. Hello, I'm Melanie, founder of Your Witchy Mother. I help women healing from high control religion rebuild spiritual self-trust and energetic sovereignty through ritual, nervous system wisdom, and a healthy dose of sacred rebellion. I won't give you a 3-step plan to enlightenment, but I will help you burn the shame and remember your power. Let's name the real. Obedience-based religion trained your nervous system to collapse in the face of structure. Routines weren't tools for thriving, they were proof of your worth. If you didn't pray every morning, read scripture, or keep your thoughts pure 24/7, you were taught to expect punishment. Now, when you try to create a morning routine, your body doesn't feel safe. And that's not failure, that's just residue. I once spent $80 on a fancy habit tracker app. I was convinced if I just tracked my rituals, I'd finally get consistent. It worked for 3 days. Then I woke up on day 4, looked at the app, and immediately felt dread. I hadn't failed, but my nervous system had clocked the assignment as control, not freedom. You don't need another system. You need safety. So what does that actually look like? Here's a tip for you. Identify your trigger tasks. These are the things you want to do but always avoid because they unconsciously echo control. Journaling, morning routines, anything with time blocking. Instead of pushing through, ask, what belief is tied to this task? What does my body associate with this rhythm? Tip number 2, make micro rituals that start with sensation. Your brain doesn't need a productivity hack. It needs proof of safety. That means starting with the body, lighting a candle and feeling the warmth, placing your hands on your heart, brushing your hair while whispering truth. 1 sense, 1 minute. That's the portal. What's a task you've been avoiding that might actually be echoing an old belief? Let me know below in the comments and we'll unravel it together. Tip number 3 is don't track, tend. Instead of trying to stick to your rituals, try this. Tend to them. Light the candle when you can. Whisper a mantra when it comes. Make the ritual an invitation and not an obligation. Now, you might be thinking, but I really do need more structure. Yep, hello, I'm a neurospicy girl, I get it. But structure without safety is just a cage. Let's build a container that your body says yes to. And if you already feel like you're spinning in chaos, good. That means the old system is crumbling. You're not lost. You're in reclamation, and it's okay. This is why I made my nervous system and energy sovereignty toolkit. It's not a course, it's a reset field. Rituals, videos, and practices that rebuild your nervous system like the sacred system it is. If your energy field is fried, this is what will help plug it back in. Start with one small thing. Light the candle. Take the breath. Let brushing your teeth be a blessing. And when you're ready to rebuild your nervous system as your altar, go grab the toolkit. It's waiting. Your rhythm doesn't have to be inherited. It can be reclaimed. Comment below and let me know the first micro ritual you're claiming as sacred. Your witchy mother loves you, but she's not going to let you hide. Are you ready?